What is azoospermia? The causes, treatment, preventions. So that is what I am going to share in today's video. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know what you will do to prevent azoospermia and to live a healthy life as a man. Bear in mind that azoospermia can cause infertility in men. So for you to avoid being infertility through azoospermia, watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know what you will do to live a healthy life as a man. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What is azoospermia and possible causes, treatments, in fact, what you will do to live a healthy life in case if there is anything azoospermia in your life. Azoospermia is when a man ejaculates and there is no sperm. If there is sperm, it will be a small little amount of it, which may not be sufficient to cause fertility. So that is azoospermia. Now, there are two types of azoospermia. Number one is obstructive azoospermia, and number two is non-obstructive azoospermia. Obstructive azoospermia is the one that will occur when you want to ejaculate, but there is a blockage stopping the flow of semen from a man. That is obstructive azoospermia. Now, non-obstructive is when you feel like you have ejaculated, but there is no sufficient sperm. So these are the two types of azoospermia. Now, what can cause azoospermia? So many things can cause this azoospermia, but I am going to tell you few things. It can be hormonal imbalance, it can be tumor, it can be infection, it can be so many things that your body may suffer can lead to azoospermia. Now, what are the possible treatments? The treatment of azoospermia depends on the type of azoospermia. If it is infection, you treat infection. If it is maybe late or previous surgery that caused you this azoospermia, you go for checkup and do surgery in order to make a free flow of semen from your body system. If it is tumor, you treat tumor. So these are the possible ways to treat azoospermia. Now, how are you going to prevent azoospermia? Very simple. What you need to do is to make sure that you avoid being exposed to heat, avoid infection, and avoid taking yourself to toxic places that may lead to infection or lead to azoospermia. Now, that is it for today's video. But I want to advise for any man to live a healthy life, he must always learn to go for checkup at least once every month, or once every 2 months, or twice every 6 months, to make sure that you know the healthy parts of your body system, or to know how healthy you are. The reason why I am saying this is for you to know when your body system is in order or when it is not in order. So I will advise to go check up, to check yourself if you really want to be the best man you want. You don't want to disappoint. You always want to feel good. Learn to take medications from your healthcare provider in order to make yourself healthy. and taking drug on your own prescription can also lead to azoospermia. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Bye.